Welcome to our video series of Complete Guide for Business Agility. In today's video, we're going to discuss two frameworks or methods for sustaining business agility. In today's hyper-competitive marketplace, businesses need to be agile and adaptable to seize opportunities and navigate market shifts. Organizations are always seeking ways to deliver better products that not only match customer needs but also reduce costs. To survive in this changing, competitive business world, organizations need to drive business agility. Picture this: lightning-fast responses, immediate decision-making, and an organization that can pivot on a dime. That's the kind of agility we're talking about. In our previous videos, we've shared how you can enable business agility in your organization. But how can you sustain this agility? To sustain business agility, there are three key ingredients. First, it's all about knowing your customers like the back of your hand. Understand their needs, desires, and pain points. A comprehensive grasp of your customer personas arms you with the insights you need to craft strategies that hit the bullseye every time. Next is leadership. Strong and effective leadership is like the rudder of a ship, steering the organization through the sea. Lastly, the right mix of people, framework, and technology can support your agile business model. In this video, we are going to talk about two popular agile frameworks that you can use to sustain business agility: Scrum and Kanban. Scrum. At its core, Scrum is more than just a process. It's a mindset, a set of values, principles, and practices that empower teams to organize and manage their work effectively. Like a rugby squad honing their skills for the big game, Scrum pushes teams to learn from experiences, self-organize around challenges, and reflect on victories and defeats, all to achieve continuous improvement. Scrum roles and responsibilities. 1. The Scrum Master, a facilitator and guide, ensures that the Scrum process flows seamlessly. 2. Product Owner shapes the journey by maintaining a prioritized product backlog, a roadmap reflecting business needs. 3. The Development Team, a group of skilled individuals, takes the reins to bring the product to life and deliver it to the product owner. Scrum Artifacts. But what powers this framework? It's the Scrum Artifacts, the essential tools that illuminate the path to success. The product backlog is a prioritized list of tasks that need to be completed to deliver the end product. It's the product owner's responsibility to maintain the backlog so the most high-priority work always stays at the top. From the product backlog emerges the sprint backlog, a focused plan for the current sprint. You can create a sprint backlog at the beginning of each sprint to guide the team throughout the execution phase. And at the sprint's end emerges the product increment. The increment must be in a usable state and must be approved by the product owner before it can be considered complete. Scrum events. But Scrum isn't just about artifacts, it thrives on Scrum events. The Scrum events keeps the team synchronized and track the project. There are 4 Scrum events. The Sprint Planning Meeting. Sprint planning initiates the Scrum cycle and sets the stage for the upcoming work. During this meeting, the Scrum team plans out what needs to be done in the next sprint. The Daily Stand-Up. The Daily Scrum is a short, daily meeting that ensures everyone on the team is aligned and aware of progress and impediments. It promotes communication and collaboration among team members. The Sprint Review Meeting. At the end of each sprint, the team conducts a sprint review to demonstrate the work accomplished during that sprint and gather feedback from stakeholders. It's an opportunity to inspect and adapt the product. The Sprint Retrospective Meeting. The Sprint Retrospective is a dedicated meeting to reflect on the previous sprint and identify improvements for the team's processes and collaboration. These 4 Scrum events provide the framework for effective communication, collaboration, and adaptation throughout the development process. They help ensure that the product is built iteratively and that the team can respond to changing requirements and priorities. Kanban. A transformative technique that reshapes the way value moves through processes. Kanban is more than a tool, it's a philosophy. It's about optimizing value flow through a visible, pull-based system. The concept of value takes various forms, encompassing considerations of client requirements, end-user needs, organizational goals, and environmental factors. Kanban, which translates to visual card or signboard in Japanese, is a lean manufacturing and project management method that focuses on visualizing work, workflow, and process improvements. The central idea behind Kanban is to make the work process transparent and manageable by using visual cues, such as cards or sticky notes, to represent tasks or work items. At its core, the Kanban methodology comprises three interrelated techniques, collectively constituting the Kanban system: workflow definition and visualization, handling workflow things actively, and streamlining a process. Why use Kanban? Kanban is valuable for several reasons. For instance, increased efficiency. Kanban's focus on visualizing work and limiting WIP helps teams complete tasks more efficiently. Teams can quickly identify and address workflow bottlenecks, leading to smoother processes and faster delivery of products or services. Enhanced flexibility. Kanban's adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to software development and healthcare. In rapidly changing markets, Kanban enables businesses to respond to customer needs and market shifts with ease. Improved collaboration. The transparency provided by Kanban boards fosters better communication and collaboration among team members. Team members can see the status of tasks and work together to prioritize and resolve issues. Reduced waste. Kanban helps identify and eliminate waste in processes, such as excessive waiting times, overproduction, or unnecessary tasks. This reduction in waste can lead to cost savings and increased profitability. Kanban is a powerful tool that has made its mark in the world of businesses, helping them streamline their workflows, increase efficiency, and adapt to changing market demands. By visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, Kanban empowers teams to deliver value more effectively. Kanban's versatility shines through, as it can be integrated into nearly any process. So, whether you're in manufacturing, software development, healthcare, or any other industry, Kanban can be customized to fit your specific needs and help you stay competitive in the dynamic business landscape. So there you have it. We've reached the end of the video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on future content. And, of course, share this video with anyone you think might benefit from it.